Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making for dinner a delicious grilled sea bream on my Yoder smokers YS640S. Let's go. When you're talking full fish, you gotta cook it hot and fast. So to start off, we're gonna uncover the grill, lift up that hood, get the grilling grates off to the side, remove the hood from underneath. This is going to allow direct heat. And for this cook, I'm going to be using Bear Mountain's Gourmet Blend. If you guys want 20% off on all Bear Mountain wood products, go ahead, click on the link in the description section and use the code on the screen and possibly Kosher 20. You'll see it again in the description section. I personally like the flavor of these pellets. It gives it a nice balance, which is really nice for whether you're doing lamb, chicken, beef, fish, in this case fish. So start off by pouring in the pellets. Like I mentioned, we're going to be doing a fast cook, so the pellets are going to be eaten much quicker. We start off by turning on our grill and cranking up that temp to 500 degrees, and that's going to start the ripping hot fire. Within a couple of minutes, you'll start to notice this ceramic igniter light up and those wood pellets will start to ignite. We get the grill grates back on. It's burning hot and fast, tons of smoke coming out. Let's close the hood and go prep our fish. Alright, and here's our sea bream. Hello my friends, how are you? If it doesn't come already, cut off the fins, cut off the end of the tail, any little stragglers that are on the edges, until it looks nice and clean like that. Then we're going to score the skin half, maybe a quarter of an inch deep. On both sides, we add some Cajun seasoned spice, some olive oil on top, and rub it in nice and well. Make sure to get in the scores themselves. That way, you get a good amount of flavor. Same thing on both sides. Don't forget both sides, guys. Olive oil, Cajun seasoning, and get in the cavity as well. And honestly, that's all you got to do. Let's bring it out to start cooking. Alright, so we lift the hood. We're going to give a little scrape to the grill grates. And clean the above too. Once it's hot, I find it's easier to scrape off any leftover junk or any leftovers. Alright, and the fish goes directly onto the flame. He's swimming all the way onto the grates. Just like that. Doop, 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 doop. Remember, fish like this, hot and fast. We let it start on both sides for just a couple of minutes. Keep an eye on it. I have the cool Yoder tool that helps me go right between the grates, and we flip it. Shoot. You see? Nice grill grate marks. And now it's been a couple minutes. I closed the hood for a couple minutes just to get a little smoky taste. And flip again. You can see how crispy that side of the skin is. It's a nice little crunch. Beautifully blackened. Smells honestly incredible. And when you're done, don't forget to power down. And guys, just a little tip, even if you set the temperature to 500, when it's in grilling mode, it's going to be getting much hotter than that. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and if you have any feedback, comments, let me know in the comment section. And guys, if you want to support the channel, join us on our members block. It's a couple bucks a month, but we have some pretty cool perks. And just a pro tip, if at any point you start to notice that your pellets are running thin or running low, add in more. There's nothing worse than starting a cook or being in the middle of a cook and the flame goes out. 5 more minutes on that side and we are done. And that's how I'm making this incredible grilled bream right on my Yoder smokers YS640S. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.